Well, got some leaking going on here, and wanted to show you what sometimes can be the source of a mystery leak. Is if this pipe here, the low side line, the suction line, is not insulated. It should be insulated all the way, otherwise you'll get moisture on the line. Here's the air handler here. I'm going to go ahead and open it up, give you a look, show you what I found here. Was the source of the mystery leak here. So this has like a little mailbox latch on it. I just turned that to open it up. Now I can pull off the door, give us access inside there. This is where the evaporator is. And I cleared the condensate drain, thinking that was the source of the leak, and the pan, and all the condensate drain lines, as you can see here. But if you look down here, you can see where we've definitely had moisture there. See that? Okay, and what it is it's missing the insulation all along there. See it? So when the unit runs, that line gets really cold and the insulation's just dripping down. See it better? It's a little tricky for me to get in there. Okay. What I'm going to do is take this piece of insulation off. I need this up top. So right here, I'm missing a little smaller piece right here. So what I'm going to do is cut this at an angle to fit. And we're going to cover all of this pipe with the insulation. Because what's happening is this is sweating. I'm going to pull that out, and I bet you I can just cover this all the way down inside there. So there we go. Because we want to keep this plumbing insulated. And what I'm going to do is also tape this open and shut. You can use cable ties, or you can use tape. So I've got some tape. So I'm going to use the tape. Keep this nice and tight along this whole edge here. Keep everything nice and insulated. You don't really have to go along the whole edge, but that's going to make it better. I'll put some on that back side where it's open. Right here. And that'll just keep that nice and dry. Okay, and so now what I have, some more insulation here, and this is some split insulation. What you do is you just pull this part apart and then take your finger and run it along the inside here, along the whole length of the insulation. And this is sized according to the pipe. This one's a 5/8, so you want to get the right size pipe insulation. Anyway, we're going to be running this down below there. So I'm just going to figure out exactly how much I need to cover that area. And as much as I can, you want to run that up. keep that covered, because what's happening is that sweating and then condensating down below. So I'm going to cut off an appropriate sized portion of my insulation. And take this down there and cover that puppy up. Again, this is tight quarters, tough to get to, but it needs to be done. Looks like I need to cut it off too right here. Stuff's really easy to cut, so no big deal.